So here we have the Voom Sonic Pro 3 Series Toothbrush. And in the box, you get the brush with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You get a USB cord to charge it up, a snap-on cap, and 2 standard brush heads. And I love that cap on here. First of all, the design looks really sleek. It looks really nice. I love like the edges here. And I do love that they have a cap, and the cap has holes at the bottom so that if there's anything, it'll drain through it. You charge it up from the bottom here, and you can see that there are 3 different modes on here. You have whiten, clean, and massage. So when it's all charged up, you press it and you can see it going. You can see the bristles moving. And also this thing has like a 2-minute timer with like a 30-second beep in between. So when you do different areas of your mouth, you're supposed to do 30 seconds of each area and then 2 minutes total. And it should let you know after 30 seconds when it's time to switch. And then it turns itself off after 2 minutes so that you know that you're done cleaning your teeth. And when you're done cleaning your teeth, you feel like you've just been to the dentist. It's like really fresh and it feels great. So the Voom Sonic, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.
Now, right.